Hey guys, welcome to my another video. Uh, this is the follow-up for the shorts that I posted. Just a disclaimer, I am not a SEBI registered analyst. In this video, we will talk about one of the micro cap stocks where I see a huge potential of growing over the next few years. Maybe this can become a 10x or 5x. The stock is currently having a market cap of 163 crore and it is trading at a stock price of 88. Let's deep dive a bit into stock details. For the name of the stock, watch till the end where I finally reveal the name. To begin with, the stock has significantly corrected in this correction phase from a 52 weeks high of 174 to 88 and a 3 years high of nearly 400. Uh, the stock is below all the moving averages, but recently the volume has picked up, whereas the liquidity in the stock has come up post the right issues which the company did. In terms of basically the operating profit, revenue, etc., the company is doing great. There is a growth all around, and they are not reducing the margin in search of revenue. As you see, the revenue has been increasing as well as the margin have been consistent between close to 18 to 22 odd percentage, and EPS has grown significantly. Moving on to the balance sheet looks good. The company is taking one step to increase the capex, which is visible in their capex growth over the last few years. The company is borrowing money via right issue, via uh, venture funds, etc., to boost this capex. They are chasing the growth, which is really good in a micro cap company. In terms of shareholding pattern, I also see there is some mistake by FII as well as TII, which also adds a bit of support to my hypothesis. As in microcap, we are really unsecure about the due diligence done, whether the stock is really risky or not. With FII and DIA coming into the picture, I believe it supports the theory, and they would have done a better due diligence before investing. That's what I like to believe. Uh, Moving on to the recent news, the company has just got 20 crore commitment from LC Venture Fund in terms of debt. Again, this debt will be used for capex and subsidiary expansion, which they have created in Australia, etc. And this all is again pointing towards a strong fundamental revenue growth over the next few years. In terms of recent con call post last half year result, the management reiterated they are targeting 100% revenue growth over FY26. That becomes nearly 250 CR. They have achieved only 80 CR in the first half, and it is yet to see over the next half whether they are able to achieve. Though there has been a capex growth. Uh, Basically there has been a capacity growth of nearly 100% over this half year, and which will soon come live as per the management in September. This was coming online slowly, and they were expecting it to operate at 100% capacity by year end. Again, 500 metric ton is the total capacity they had in the previous con call. They told that they would have 1000 metric ton by the year end, and then 1600 metric ton by FY27. That is really good. EBITDA margin has been between 19 to 22 percentage, and they are expecting to maintain it. Moving on to last point, I did invest in the stock today, and I am hoping for a significant return from here. With this debt funding coming into the picture, I am pretty sure about the growth. With FI and DI investment, I am a bit. It is bit more supportive of my analysis, and at the end of day, there has been a more liquidity in the stock compared to other micro caps due to the recent right issue that they did close to 80 rupees again. That is a good positive factor and is supporting my hypothesis. Do let me know. The stock name is obviously IEML, Indian Emulsifier Limited. uh, do let me know if you like the hypothesis, and do comment out what do you think about the stock, whether it is really a risky bet or there is a huge potential that is yet to be unlocked. Thanks.